Over the years, many scholars studied the Gemara. They saw that in many places the Gemara is connected to the Torah shebichtav. They saw that sometimes a sugya appears in many places in the Gemara. They saw that sometimes a sugya is connected to other sugyot in other places. What's more, as time went on, some Torah sages wrote svarim about how to do the mitzvot based on the sugyot of the Gemara. The proper way of keeping the mitzvot is called the halacha. Torah laws are called halachot. So the svarim that teach us how to do the mitzvot are called sifrei halachot. So the Torah shebichtav, the Mishnah, the Gemara, and the sifrei halachot are all connected in many ways. When you study Gemara, you will find links that will take you to verses in the Torah shebichtav, to other sugyot, or to the sifrei halachot. These links appear as little notes on the side of the page, and they are called hagahot. One little note is called a hagaha. When the sages studied the Talmud, they used to write little notes on the side of the pages to help them remember important things. Later on, printers of the Talmud put many of these notes onto the pages they printed. The greatest link maker of all time is Rabbi Yehoshua Boaz Baruch. He lived in Italy about 500 years ago. Let's take a look at the links he composed. Right between the Gemara and Rashi, or the Tosafot, you will often find little links. These links can lead you to another place in the Gemara for more information. Now take a look at the next stuff. See that little link down at the bottom between the Gemara and the Tosafot? That link tells you where to find the verse of Torah shebichtav that the Gemara mentions here. These links are called Torah Or. Here on the inside margin, you will find a different set of links called Mesoret HaShas. The Mesoret HaShas will lead you to many places in the Gemara, the Talmud Yerushalmi, Rashi's commentary, or the Tosafot. As you study the Gemara, you will often see little asterisks. Wherever you see one, you'll know that Rabbi Yehoshua Boaz has left you a link in the Mesoret HaShas. If you follow it, it will lead you to other places for more information. Sometimes he will help by explaining things. Sometimes he will even correct a mistake that the copiers or printers accidentally put in the Gemara. On the far outside margin of the pages, you'll find even more links. These links are called Ein Mishpat Ner Mitzvah, and they lead to many places in the four important Sifrei Halachot: the Mishnah Torah of the Rambam, the Sefer Mitzvot Hagadol, the Arba Turim, and the Shulchan Aruch. As you study the Gemara, you will often see little square font letters. Wherever you see a letter like this, you'll know that Rabbi Yehoshua Boaz has left you a link in the Ein Mishpat Ner Mitzvah.